Hi, I'm Kassidy Rodriguez, and I'm here to talk to you about something called CAM photosynthesis. CAM photosynthesis is a type of photosynthesis that enables plants to live in the desert. And it is specifically tailored for energy conservation and water conservation. So what exactly is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the ability for a plant, is a process for the plant in which light is taken in and converted into energy that is feasible for the plant to be using. So the evolution of plants is something to take into consideration here. Not all plants have CAM photosynthesis available for their use. Only plants that have had the problem of living in arid environments have adapted to take on this role of photosynthesis. Within all plants, there's something called a stomata. And a stomata is part of the plant that takes in CO2 and allows for gas exchange. So in a lot of plants that are not in arid environments are able to have a flood season where there's a lot of evaporation of the water from the roots that goes through the plant and out through the stomata. And this is called evapotranspiration. What this does is it regulates the flow of water through the plant so it doesn't have too much. But in the case of CAM plants, this isn't completely necessary because they are going to have to want to take in all the water they need and all the water they can because they don't have a lot of it. There are different ways that the CAM photosynthesis works. There are two different phases. One phase during the day and one phase during the night. During the night, the stomata are open, meaning it allows for gas exchange, but in essence they are only taking in carbon dioxide for storage. And they don't do this during the day. They don't take in CO2 during the day. They only take it in during the night. So when the stomata are open during the night, they take in CO2 and store it inside so they can use it during the day. During the daytime, the stomata are closed and they're using the stored carbon dioxide. They're using the stored carbon dioxide to aid in their photosynthetic properties, producing energy, and so they don't have to have their stomata open during the day of the hottest times and the driest times of the day, so they're not losing all of the water that they need to have. The importance of this stomata being able to open and close is that so they don't lose all the water. And the majority of plants that have the ability, that don't open or close their stomata, release a significant amount, up to 90% of the water that's taken in through their roots out through their leaves. And that's why plants in these types of environments have adapted to being able to open and close their stomata so they don't lose all the water they have. Though these plants don't live in Minnesota, you can probably buy them at Home Depot or Bachman's and have them in your own home.